Alright, peeps. What's good? What's great? You know what I mean? I hope you guys having a wonderful day wherever you are, people. See me here? I'm there at the cool parish of Manchester, Mandeville, and this video is gonna be not a cooking video or a herb video or anything like that. It's more of a chill video where I go up on the road and just chill out. So here what? Guess what? It's Tavina's birthday. It's Tavina around here, sir. You say happy birthday to Tavina, people. See ya? Happy birthday to you. You put your hand in a doo-doo. So Tavina, people, is my little sister. So my next sister, see the next sister there. Say hi. 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 So peeps, so here what? We are go up on the road. We are going to have a little fun there with them. I don't really plan out like how, you know what I mean? I just feel make them have some fun, make them enjoy themselves and eat some food and just all that vibe. So here what? Stay tuned. We are going to Waterfall, as you see in the title and the description and everything. A little water park. You know what I mean? Being a big brother. Alright? So here what? Stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Soon come. Alright peeps, so here what? I just buy them some patty. You know what I mean? I know your boy trying to lose some weight, so I'm not really eat no patty in the morning. But guys, how the patty never go out? Good. How the patty never go out? Show the people the patty. Patty. Who you give peace? Who you give peace? Mama. Yeah, give mama peace. Just mama alone. What you feel? Mama John.
I wish it was Mama Patty. Mama Patty will taste so good.
Mama Patty will taste so good. You see her face? People, she gonna be vlogger one day, you know. She love it. She gonna be vlogger, yeah man. She gonna be vlogger, people. So here what? Them gonna go and eat some food. So we are Mandeville, in the town of Mandeville now. So I'm gonna drive off and on our road to Spur 3. I get me answer Spur 3 Manchester. So here what? We soon come here, people. Stay tuned. We soon reach the water park and show now walk one. It's around 10 o'clock now. So by 12 we reach. Done. So tell the people to subscribe.
Subscribe! Like down.
Of your life every single night, the confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd, you're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that, what glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside, looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, ooh, ooh.
Peeps, they are back at it again. What do you not eat now? What do you not eat?
KFC.
What do you not eat?
KFC.
Jesus, peeps. Watch ya. I can't manage. Me say, Big Brother is here. Big Brother Tyrone is here. Good God. When they see Big Brother, you know, come and they see Santa Claus. A Santa Claus, you know, see? Me and a Santa Cruz, what they do? So peeps, watch out, we're going through Santa Cruz now. Heading towards a place called Allen Bamboo. You know what I mean? So, them look at eaty pitney here. Them love eaty, so me have to buy food for them. So, me I got you same way. I got you. Hey, brother, yeah, man. Yeah. Wrong side of the road, you're there. Alright, peeps, so me I take my time and go through here. So I'm sure what I go on in the town. So subscribe.
Life of the party, life of the party, life of the party, life of the party. Yeah, I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Be cool. I wanna be
people, here we are going. We're there, Alan Bamboo right now. Alan Bamboo. See there? Whee! Alan Bamboo! Trouble! Trouble! So guys, here we are. There with the little baby them. Little baby them. Where little baby them there? See them here? Them are run going. Yeah, say hi for me, say hi. Hi. So peeps, Alan Bamboo, by the time I go through Alan Bamboo, we're going to reach the waterfalls. The place just nice. Right now, I tell you the truth, I want to sleep. Children are just cool and nice, right under Alan Bamboo, you know. Cool and nice, I want to sleep. So here we are. Check in, watch where I go on. We soon come, yeah? Soon come. Remember, you know, the day is not about me, it's about little baby them still. So far, yeah? Don't go nowhere.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when
Alright, peeps, say the birthday girl. I say happy birthday to Tavina people. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tavina. Happy birthday to you. Say hip hip hooray. Hip hip. Hip whip. Say it loud. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Alright, boy, yeah. Hooray! Tavina. Yeah, see we vehicle here come, peeps. So watch ya. Great Jamaica land we love, you know what I mean? See the map here? Cool landscape, pretty. I bring down the opacity a little bit, I can see. Cool the landscape, pretty peeps. Landscape, nice. Come Jamaica, man, I'm carrying up on the tour. You see it, river run and thing, but them say the river a little cloudy up there. So you know what that mean. Every time I come to YS Falls, river half cloudy. I don't know why. Why river cloudy when me come? Eh? Jesus peace, I tell you. So we're going to go on a bus now, peeps. So. Alright peeps, so we're finally here. So I'm here with my little one, Teresa, and my next little one, brother. So see you next little one, yeah? Kia. Whoa, whoa. What you say? You don't want to go swim?
Yes.
You can't go swim?
Yes.
You can't go swim?
Yes.
Alright, yeah. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. You feel excited? So if you're excited, you say hooray!
Hooray!
Say it louder, hooray!
Hooray!
So peeps, great YS Falls. You know what I mean? Great, pretty place. Good day. Jamaica this. Yeah man, we have to brand Jamaica, don't? We have to brand Jamaica, man, and make the people them know. So we are go up at the falls shortly. But we have pool over here, so. We have a nice little pool if you want to just chill out, all our vibes. You get me? You have a nice little picnic area right off. So if you want to have a picnic, you see me? So peeps, that is it. I'm just gonna have a chill day with my little ones and let them enjoy themselves. That's all we can do. Health is your wealth. You have to cool down sometime. Plus Stavina's birthday, so I'm here to just let her enjoy herself. So here what people, we soon come. I'll show you when they try to swim.
Bye.
Bye. See you right there. Tabidu, birthday.
I can't swim, guys, so not to swim.
Enjoy yourself, play in the water. Yeah, don't go any further, you know. See you right there. Me I watch you now.
Hi guys, I'll teach you how to swim. Look at me. Guys, look at me already deep now. Look guys, I'm over here. Hi. Hi guys. I'll show you the water. Look.
Yeah, peeps, so me and Tavina I'll go by the river. I'll go by the river, check out what I go on. Great, pretty place, people, me not lie. Nice look of fun and enjoyment. You know what I mean? Outside vibes, you can carry your food, you can carry your juice, everything. You know what I mean? Nice look of water park. Tavina, where you gone left me? Where you gone left me? Make the people let me see, you know. And tell you happy birthday. Great Tavina, you know what I mean? Little Tavina. How old are you now?
14.
Yeah, 14. Alright, so we'll go up our river. We soon come, peeps. Hi. Go on walk, go on walk. Pull the juice, my friend. Pull the juice.
Wait.
Pull the juice and chew it for yourself. Take your time.
Somebody take out this, wait.
No man, just shoot everything one time. Alright, so that's 1, 2, you can count. Next. 3.
4.
Next. 4. Alright. That's yours. Alright, so you take up 1. You get 1. You get 1. And you get 1. Right?
I play this.
No, I don't play this. I can't believe people say KFC don't give me no family plate. Them feel like I'm me alone that eat so much chicken. Boy, I'm not like them style, peeps. But I buy a little 9-piece for them. So I'm gonna dish it out and I'll come back, alright? See it there? 9-piece for count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Me make 5, me I take a little piece. Alright, so I'm gonna start on the out. Start out on the food and come.
It's called
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! You put your hand in a doo-doo. Yeah, swim. Come, swim, come towards me. Swim, come towards me. You're gone too far. Come closer now. Come, swim. Go, Tavina, go. Go, Tavina, go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Yeah, YouTube. I'm there, peeps. Yeah, what? Me look at my blank out a while ago. Yeah, what, people? Subscribe. Subscribe and like the video, yeah? Watch what I go on with there. Chill out.
Don't jump on.
having a birthday down at Waterfall. And I mean, vlogging outside, vlogging. Down in the water, we vlogging. Down in the water, we vlogging. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. Me? Are you broke it? Peeps, watch out there and try to set the camera. Whoa!
You can never sleep in traffic, 'cause living steady panic. I know 'cause I try acid. Now I see through your habits, just like gadgets. You tell me with the two hands, I'm too bad. Wonder what you think's I like. Need me to get your bills paid, that's what you said. Well, guess I'm just too fake for that. So sit down, listen, think for a minute. Know it might be hard 'cause you're uneducated. Break down, face it, breathe for a minute. I'm about to help you with your manners and respect. You get it? Just uneducated. But this so but you make it. One day, manners and respect. I'm a realist. I see your actions like an itchy clitoris. I never listen to the critics. They try to steal you from your feelings.
Hey guys, yeah, YouTube, YouTube. So, Teresa, come around and see what them see now. Come, so them enjoy themselves, people. Them are the star of the show, you know.
It's so wet.
Come over. Come, see star of the show, yeah? Come next star of the show. The star of the show, yeah, peeps. So, the pool man said we have to vacate the place now, you know, because them lock early. You know, it's a water park still, you know, no one night catch you so. And we're down at St. Elizabeth. So Kiki, tell them say subscribe and bye bye.
Subscribe and bye bye next time.
Next time. Where is it? Next time. Yeah, peeps, so sun kinda warm so still, but we're there, man, you know. We're there. See there? Much better, I should say. So peeps, now lie, I feel relaxed after I go up by falls. You know, I couldn't carry the camera in the falls. See, so here what? Come Jamaica, man. I know all them little secret spots. I know all them little places and you can link me up. Big up on yourself. Those in the chat, I hope you enjoy the little scene and have fun with you in a visual way. You know what I mean? So bless up on yourself again and see you guys in our next video. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, comment, share, and watch the full video, guys. Watch the full video. You know what I mean? What I recognize is like 89% of people who watch the video and subscribe. So please, guys, watch the video to the end. I know the loyal people they come on at night time still, but there are some people just spam the video. Them click on it to like them watch it for like a 30-second click off and just spam the thing. We don't really want that. You know what I mean? Fire against spammer. You see, because we out here at the good work and people need to see this. You understand? So we decree and declare good works and video them for God and people get to see the video them. You know what I mean? Yeah. So my name is Tyrone and this is Tyrone Studio and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys soon. Alright? Take care.